one of the things you have to deal with here in the Philippines that is truly unique is air conditioners, right? You don't have these whole house air conditioners like you do where we come from. You've got these small, like up here, you've got these, what they call inverter. This is an inverter unit, which honestly, I don't fully understand all the technology of what the distinction inverter is, but it is a more energy efficient type of air conditioner for the Philippines. So this is the typical kind of air conditioner that you have here. Small units designed specifically for rooms, not so much whole house. You don't have like ductwork and things like that in houses like we do in North America, where you've got central heat, you've got central air, all that stuff, right? That goes through a ductwork. That is pretty uncommon. I don't think I've actually ever been in a home that has that. Even the condos don't have any of that kind of ductwork or anything like that. So these are Aurora Carrier Aurora Aircons, and they're not bad. They've got a little bit of remote and stuff like that that goes with it. You can set it all up. But one of the maintenance things that we've got going on right now is periodically, every 6 months, they require cleaning. So we'll take you out and kind of show you real quick what that looks like. So we got some guys out here who are cleaning it. So yeah, pardon the mess in the house. We got a lot of projects going on. Yeah, so these guys are cleaning it out. They basically disassemble the unit like I showed you in there, and now they're gonna flush it out with water, remove any kind of mold or any of that. So yeah, and these guys are a rock star, man. We've had this done a couple times now, and I've never seen anyone kind of disassemble it like these guys are doing. So they're really doing a good job. I'll put up their information, whatever. I can't remember, Green something or other. But yeah, we can go outside too here, and I'll show you kind of what they got going on out here. But yeah, they got a trike out here. I think they've got water. Yeah, they've got a pump here that they'll pump water through, and then kind of clean everything off and clean it through. So yeah, pretty cool, man. Yeah, and this is regular maintenance that you do periodically with these AC units. So really unique to the Philippines. I guess in North America, we don't do any of that stuff where, you just kind of run your AC unit outside. You've got the big box outside. Now, part of the unit, I'll show you over on this one because it's a little bit easier to see. So that was the inside piece that you have. And then the outside, you got like your coils and all of that up here. So that's what we got going on up here, is that. So there's the outside part of the AC unit. You've got your cooling aspect out here, the hose running in, and then you've got your discharge tube here. And then I've also got another one down here. So that's what I'm saying. I've got 3 units for the house, not 1 unit for the whole house. I've got, 3 units, one for, I don't have one in the spare bedroom, but that's the typical design here in the Philippines. Like I said, I've never been in a house that had ductwork and all that stuff. So yeah, really cool, guys, as I'm seeing it. So salamat, kuya, appreciate it. It's looking good, man. Yeah, so now they're just kind of spraying it off and getting it clean. Got a little pressure system here. Yeah, I do love this country, man. I'm just kind of figuring crap out. You really do. You need to kind of explore, be an explorer in life in this country. What's up? And in here we got helping out Veronica. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. She says hi. She's not mic'd up, but she's doing good.
I'm just arranging this thing.
Yeah, she's going through. She's helping out arranging the kitchen. I'll do actually a full house update, guys, because you all really liked that video about the house that I'm in. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, whatever. I think 50 something square meters home. Not big, right? But only 12,000 pesos a month here in Butuan. So yeah, that's the house. So we're kind of going through and getting stuff set up. But yeah, it's been good, man. Just kind of, figuring everyday life out here. So, all right, guys. So they wrapped up the ACs, got that all done. I was going through the edit actually, and I wanted to add a couple more pieces of information that I left out. One of them was the pricing. It's very inexpensive to what they did. They charged 1,000 pesos. I'll convert it out, but it's right around 20 bucks. That's per AC. So total was 3,000 pesos. And they were here, maybe, I think a couple of hours to clean them all out. And the other thing that I wanted to kind of talk a little bit about that I think is key is the time frame, how often, the frequency that you want to do it. It really kind of depends on where you're at. Like we've got a lot of construction going on still, so it's really dusty. Even though I do actually have this air cleaner, this air purifier, they did comment that, hey, there's quite a bit of dust and dirt in here. So the time frame they suggested is around 3 months or so, but if you ask AI and other tools, the common time frame is somewhere around 6 months. So my guess, I'm probably going to jump it up to 4 months a little more frequently than 6, simply because one, it's not that expensive, and two, after you get these cleaned, the difference is pretty substantial in how they work. You could really tell. Like when I was before getting it clean, the thermostat I set to actually 23.5, and now I've got it set to 24.5. So just because it makes the room feel that much cooler just at that temperature now. So highly recommend it. Like I said, this is something I had not seen. You know, you don't really see these in North America. You've got the whole house unit, but everywhere in the Philippines has these types of units. The other units that you'll see, the non-inverter type, are the window type. And just kind of a heads up on those. I don't really recommend those. My experience limited in those is that they're not nearly as energy efficient or cooling efficient. Man, we had one in Leyte, guys, and it was a 0.5 horsepower unit, which is so small. In comparison, this is 1.5 horsepower, and the one in the bedroom and the office, those are 1. But that one was a 0.5 horsepower unit. It barely cooled our small little studio, and our electric bill was almost the same there than it is here, right? So our electric bill here runs around 9,000 pesos with these running. One of these is running 24/7, right? Either it's the bedroom or here or whatever. One of them's always on. So the electric bill here is almost the same with running one of those window units, and it wasn't even cool in there. So these things are rock star. So yeah, real quick, as I was going through the edit, and there was a couple of other things that I wanted to bring up. So back to the normal ending. All right, guys. Well, I think that'll do it for this video. Just a quick kind of video on life here in the Philippines. I thought this is really unique, something that we don't really see in North America. So I thought I'd share with you guys kind of daily life experiences here. So really appreciate that. With everyone, check out the Patreon page if you're not already. A bunch of free stuff, behind the scenes stuff out there. I do a video every Tuesday there. Also check out the website. I've got my ferry guide and useful information if you're a motorcyclist or if you're just looking to travel around by ferry. So definitely check out the Patreon page for that information. Yeah, just kind of going through here. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Thanks again.